Welcome, in front of me I have ULEFONE Note 8P, and today I'll show you how you can add widgets. Click and hold your home screen, then find widgets and click on it. Right now choose widget that you want to apply. I'm going for this digital clock. Click, hold and then drag it. I will go for the second screen. Click and release. When you tap on it once, you will be moved to the clock. When you click and hold it, you can move that widget just like that. And when this preview of the home screen disappears, you can change the size of this clock, as you can see. So yeah, after that you can just click here, and that's how we can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.